morning, children. Today I am going to take second chapter of the grammatry. So already I taught all the types of the noun, pronoun. Okay, ma'am. Again we have same chapter. So maybe you understood everything. So I wanted to tell what are the types of the nouns. So here kinds of nouns. Number 1 is the proper noun. Number 2 common noun. Number 3 countable. Number 4 uncountable. Fifth one concrete. Sixth one abstract. Seventh one collective. Eighth one material. Ninth one compound nouns. So these are the kinds of nouns. One by one I'll explain now. So proper means what are the nouns? What are the things are in the world which has name? The things are known as the noun. Okay, in that noun maybe person, maybe thing, maybe animal, maybe place, whatever, small and big one, broad one, valid, whatever, it has a name. That are nouns. Okay, and under that we are going to know proper noun. Proper means which we are going to talk about particularly. More teachers are there. We are not talking about all the teachers, particularly one teacher, one doctor, one animal, one place, which we are talking about personally, particularly, that is known as the proper noun. So easily you can understand which are having the capital letters. Most probably all the proper nouns are having the capital letters. So easily you can identify that is the proper noun. Okay, ma? Then common noun means common to all. What we are using in daily. That is not the particular one. Okay. So teacher, doctor, table, chair, girl, boy, like that. So what we are using commonly, that is known as the common noun. So next one, countable. We can count. One piece of chalk, two pieces of chalk. One bag, two bags. So which we can count, that is known as the countable. We know very well how what things we are going to count, what things we are unable to count. Stars, are you going to count? No. Sand, are you going to count? No. Rice, hay, are you going to count? No. Which we can count, that is known as the countable. Which we are unable to count. Sugar, salt, 1 liter of milk. 1 liter of milk we can count. 1 liter, 2 liter, 3 liters, like that. But we are unable to count the liquid one. Okay. Sand, sugar, salt, honey, like this. We can't count. We can say liters. We can count 1 liter, 2 liter, 1 kg, 2 kgs, like that. So, which we are unable to count, that are known as the uncountable. Next one is the concrete. Concrete means which we see and touch. Which we are seeing with our naked eye, that is known as the concrete. Is this the not visible or invisible? Visible. So we are observing what is this. We are touching. So this is the concrete. Okay. This is concrete. This is concrete. We can say this is the board. We are touching the board. So which we see and touch, that is concrete. Okay, ma'am? Then abstract means which we are unable to tell. Unable to tell the correct meaning, that is known as the abstract. That means, what is the difference between the this and this mean? Concrete we can see, but abstract we are unable to see. Simply we feel joy. Can you touch joy? No. Because that is feeling. Childhood, feeling. State, feeling. Fever, feeling. Beauty, feeling. Wisdom, feeling. But we are unable to touch. Easily you can understand. Concrete means which we see and touch. Abstract means which we cannot. Simply what we feel, that is known as the abstract. Collective means for each and every noun which collectively together, that is known as the collective noun. Herd of cattle, bunch of keys, keys together collectively, that is known as the collective noun. Class of students, in the class more students are there, that is also collective noun. Together, collectively. Library of books, library is full of the books, so that is also collective noun. Flight of sheep, okay ma, all these which are collectively together, that is known as the collective noun. Then last one is the material. Material means whether that is the solid or liquid. Gold, honey, water, oil, which are solid and liquid, that is known as the material. Then whereas the compound noun, where the two words which are giving the full meaning, that are the compound. Maybe it is the 2 or 3 also they, okay. Son-in-law, that is also compound word. Homework, that is also. Birthday, sunshine, motorcycle, handkerchief, soap nut, soap box, matchbox, matchstick, which are like that only one word or 2 words or 3 words together, that is known as the compound nouns. Okay ma? So proper means which we particularly talk about the proper noun. What we use commonly, common noun. Countable, which we can count. Then bread. Bread is the countable or uncountable? That's uncountable. Bread is slices we can count. Bread we cannot. Bread. 1 bread, 2 bread. No. Bread slices we can count, but bread is the uncountable. Concrete, which we can see and touch. Abstract, which we feel. We won't see and touch. Collective, together. What are the nouns are the together, same group. That is known as the collective noun. Material, whether that is a solid or liquid. Compound one, which 2 or 3 words are giving the full meaning and meaningful, that is known as the compound noun. Okay, now we can take the answers in second chapter. They asked the section A. Section A, what they asked now? They asked to find out the proper noun and then common noun. Proper noun and common noun. Can you do that one, ma? So A exercise, you have to find out the which are the proper noun, which are the common noun. Do it. Just now I told you. Easily you can identify which are the capital letters that are the proper noun, which we use commonly, that is the common noun. Proper and common. Section A, you have to complete that one. Afterwards I'll tell the answers. Okay, you do it, you try it. Okay, everything I should not tell. No, you do. That is the easy one only. Then next one, what we'll do now? The B exercise, page 14. Page 14 we'll do. Here also, they given the sentences. We have to find out the whether that is the proper noun, common noun, abstract noun, concrete noun, collective noun. We have to identify. That also you do it. B exercise also you did. Just now I explained no more. Let you try. One like that they given the 8 sentences. In each sentence which is the proper noun. Proper noun which are the capital letters. Abstract which we won't see and touch. Then common noun, commonly what we used. Collective, together. A team of players. Okay. Choir of singers. Choir means group of singers. So which are the abstract, you have to find it. That also you did. A and B exercise you only do. Okay. Afterwards I'll tell the answer which are the correct or not. You have to find it. Okay, ma? Then next we'll come to the page 15. Page 15. We'll try. Page 15. C exercise. The 2 boys, we have to write the correct nouns. The 2 boys stayed in the hostel for me, and a half in the bracket they given the year. What is the correct answer? Years. First one is the years. And second one of his tooth they given the bracket was decaying at an alarming rate. Toothache. toothache, singular. Teeth, plural, teeth. When there is a one off, you have to write the plural only. That means one off. So more teeth is the one of the tooth. More teeth, one off tooth, decayed one. So when you use the one off, you have to write the plural only. Among teeth, one tooth, decayed. Then third one, the man is really a oaf in sheep's clothing. That only as a clothing. Number 4, both his foot were injured while playing hockey. Foot, both foot, feet, feet is the plural. Fifth one, the chief of all the organizations met at the venue. Chief, plural, chiefs. Number 6th one, the officer wife. The officer's wife. What is the officer's wife is the correct or wives? Wives. Wives is the plural. 7th one, I have lost my new pair of scissors. Is there any singular, ma? No. Scissors only, it looks like a singular, but it is the singular only, it looks like a plural. Scissors. Don't say scissor. Scissors. 8th one, they have sold off all their old furniture. Is there any plural? Furniture? Furniture means will come sofa, chairs, divan, everything comes under the furniture. There is no furnitures. Furniture only, correct answer. Furniture. 9th one, the clerk at the desk gave me all the information I needed. Information is a bracket. Information, not informations. Information. 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 Last 10th one. I could not drink the tea as there was too much dash sugar in it. Sugar or sugars? Sugars is not the sugar, is the uncountable sugar. Too much sugar is there, so he could not drink the tea. So first answer ears, second one teeth, third one clothing, fourth one feet, fifth one chiefs, sixth one wives, seventh one scissors, eighth one furniture, ninth one information, 10th one sugar. So this is the second chapter answers. A and B exercise you do it. So you can understand clearly what are the proper, what are the common, abstract, concrete, collective noun. So easily you can understand. Let you try. Afterwards I'll tell the answer. Okay, ma? Okay. Bye.